Do you want to turn these kinds of rocks into green cash money? Well, in this exciting episode today, I'm going to share with you 5 of the best jewelry affiliate programs paying tons of bling in commissions, okay? Consider this. The jewelry industry is expected to increase from $271 billion US dollars in 2018 to about $645 billion in 2035. Yes, that's a billion with a B. So the opportunity to turn your love for the finest things in life into serious commissions is huge. And yes, this can work for you even if you are just getting started. How? Well, stick around because in this video, you will learn 5 of the best jewelry affiliate programs paying high-end commissions. Little known sub niches to get started in that have little to no competition, and step-by-step how to get started for free even if you are a beginner. And if you stay till the end of this video, I'll even share with you the easiest way to create automated traffic and sales that even a beginner can do in under an hour per day. But before that, if you like videos about making money online, getting results, and living the choice lifestyle you deserve, subscribe to the channel and tick the notification bell to join the Choice Crusaders crew. Also, if you want to know my #1 recommendation for making money online that will empower you with the mindset and the skill set to live free, then check out the link in the description below. All right, now let's get into today's video. All right, hey friend, let's get right down into it, all right? 5 jewelry affiliate programs that can pay you up to $100, $110 per sale, even more, all right? So let's get started with it. We're gonna count them down, all right? And like I said, stick to the end because I'm gonna share with you some really great ways to be able to promote this, even if you're a beginner, so you can start making cash money now. All right, what's number 5 on the list? It is Etsy, okay? So you've probably heard of Etsy, right? Etsy is basically like kind of like a creators art, unique, handcrafted items type of marketplace where people put all kinds of creative items and things like that. Well, what's cool is that they got jewelry and accessories there, right? So you see they have clothing and shoes, home living, wedding and party, toys and entertainment, arts and collectibles, but they also have jewelry and accessories, all right? So if you kind of like boom in a little bit closer, you can see they have hair accessories, headbands and things like that, bags and purses, of course, necklaces, rings, right? Earrings, bracelets, all kinds of stuff, right? Like if you just go into like, let's say these rings or necklaces, maybe you look at the crystal necklaces, right? You can see that they have a huge ton of stuff right here, and there's a lot of people, there's various people selling all kinds of stuff here, and you can see they have ratings and things like that. So it's a really good marketplace. Obviously you've heard of Etsy, but guess what was even cooler too is that they do have an affiliate program. Now I don't know if you go to the bottom, you can see it here, but yeah, if you click down here and click on affiliates, it'll take you to this page right here where you can join their affiliate program, all right? And so you'll get rewards as well from being part of the program, being part of the community, and signing up is free. They'll tell you a little bit, give you a little bit of information here on how it works, and for the most part you can see that the commissions you can have, they have 30-day cookies, so that's good. And even though they don't tell you here, I couldn't find it here, their commission rates range between 4 to 8%. So if someone clicks on your link that you develop, that you get from promoting any one of these items, let's say this one of these crystal necklaces, and they buy, you'll earn about 4 to 8% of that sale, revenue sale, all right? And so it's free to get started. All you gotta do is click on the link here to apply, and then you do have to get approved, and once you're approved they will let you know. And so here's some information about it here, so you can just sign and join the program. I think AWIN is their affiliate marketing network that does it, and so you just go from there and you can start getting paid affiliate commissions from selling jewelry, all right? Pardon the interruption, my friend, but hey, are you enjoying this video so far? Getting value? Then hey, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel, all right? And go ahead and tell me where you coming from, all right? Where in the world are you from, where you're trying to learn how to make this money, all right? So if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. All right, now back to our regularly scheduled programming. So what's number 4 on the list for jewelry affiliate programs that are paying bling commissions? Well, it is a company called MVMT, all right? So MVMT is basically a watch type company, all right? So they sell a lot of trendy watches, and it's not so much in their technology, but it's mostly about the luxury and the brand and the fashion statement behind it. So you can see they have a lot of different types of watches here for men and women. They also have sunglasses, and the thing is all about trend and fashion and what's hip and what's cool. So you'll start noticing that. So they have women's stuff, men's stuff, women's jewelry as well, men's watches, women's watches, sunglasses, women's sunglasses, eye scroll, gear and things like that. So that's what that's about. Now they do have an affiliate program as well. That's called their ambassador/affiliates program. So if you click on that down here, it'll actually be taken here. And so what's interesting is that depending on who you are, they'll tell you which way to go to. So if you're an ambassador, would be most likely what most of you are, including myself. If you're promoting through Instagram, YouTube, or through your blog, and you're an influencer or a brand advocate, then you would get free product and some commissions, and you would apply here. Impact Radius, it seems to be more for people who have publications, newsletters, content marketing, media publication people, shopping platforms. So they go right here. So if you, most likely you would be me, you would just click here to apply, and it'll take you over to where you would sign up, and then you just have to put your email address here and get started. I wasn't able to find too much information in terms of their cookies and how much they pay in commissions, but I think you can find that out as soon as you start in there. But I've heard it's a pretty good program, but that's the reason why it's number 4 on the list. Well, so know what's number 3 for jewelry affiliate marketing programs that are paying Bling-Bling commissions? Well, it is a company called Genifique. Okay, so Genifique is pretty cool because they specialize in jewelry, bridal jewelry collections, and different things, wedding bands, earrings, necklaces, but especially for your people that are very conscious, environmentally conscious. So their stuff is lab grown diamonds and things like that are environmentally beneficial, right? So you can see that here, they're lab grown diamonds that are conflict free, eco-friendly, and affordable. So if you're a socially conscious person, then this is something that you may want to look into, that I think is pretty cool. So it's something for everyone here now. And they also have an affiliate program as well. So if you come down here, you can just click there to join their affiliate program. It'll take you over to this page where here, well, they'll tell you a little bit more about it. You see, Genifique is getting started as an affiliate is easy, it's free. They tell you that they're lab grown diamonds and gemstones that are created with superior quality using eco-friendly, sustainable processes. So that's what they really pride themselves on. And they'll give you a reason to join, 60-day cookie, right? And then their part of their program is through is through the Share Sell affiliate marketing network. So that's how you would get started. As far as I can tell, their commission rates range from about 10%. So that's what I've heard. So and seen. So you would just click on Share Sell here to get started and put in your information, join that affiliate marketing network, and you'll be able to join Genifique affiliate marketing program and start getting paid. All right, so that's number 3. Now what's number 2 for jewelry affiliate marketing programs that are paying some really decent Bling-Bling commissions? Well, it's none other than a company called Njigha. So Njigha is pretty well known. They're basically a high-ranking, well-known jewelry online provider. They specialize in necklaces, earrings, engagements, and wedding rings and bracelets, but they really specialize on a lot of these gemstones, as you can see, especially customized gemstones and necklaces and things like that. So if you like giving a loved one something for their birthday on their special month, well, there's usually a gemstone for that particular month, for example. So you could create something very customized for them. And they have a lot of different collections and things like that. They even featured on Newsweek, Fox, Forbes, Cheddar, MSN. So they're well known in the industry, and they give you a lot of reasons why you want to check them out. Custom made stuff, free shipping, returns, and things like that. Lifetime warranty. It's all pretty good. And then guess what? They also have an affiliate program as well. So if you click on that, they'll take you over here where you can learn more about it. And basically they'll tell you, hey, what they're all about. They specialize in handmade gemstone jewelry. All right. They're and you can earn tons of commissions on tons of their products. Like we talked, all the stuff we talked about. You can earn 10% commissions on all the jewelry that's sold through your referral link, and they have 30-day cookies. All right. So that's pretty standard. And here's what's cool about it. Their average order value that they see is about $1,100. So if you're earning 10% on $1,100, well, there you go. That's $110 right there per sale, right? And so that's where I got that from. All right. So it's pretty easy to join. It's easy. It's free. All you gotta do is click here. You get taken to the Link Share Network, and the Link Share Network is where you're gonna get started. They're an affiliate marketing network as well. And so all you would have to do, or part of Rakuten Marketing, actually, look at that. So Rakuten is a well-known affiliate marketing network. So just get started. You probably already have an account with them, but if not, just fill out the application here, get signed up, and that'll take you over to Gera, where you can get part of the affiliate marketing program. All right, and what's number 1 list right on the list of best affiliate marketing programs for jewelry making Bling-Bling commissions right now? That would be a company called Blue Nile. So Blue Nile is very well known. They're probably one of the biggest online retailers for jewelry. In fact, they're so big that the 3 next that are behind them, they're bigger bigger than all three of them combined. So they specialize in diamonds, engagement rings, wedding rings, jewelry, gifts, and even providing tons of education to help you find that right ring, and all the different cuts of diamonds, all the different shapes and things that you can get involved in. To help you can even build your own customized ring and things like that. And they all got all kinds of stuff. They've been around since 1999, so they're really well known for their high quality and their ethically sourced GIA graded diamonds. I don't know what that means, but apparently that's a good thing, right? They're all about doing it the right way. So the good thing is that they also have an affiliate program as well. And so if you click on it, I can't remember where it is here, but I'll leave a link for you for that in the description below. It'll take you over here to where you can learn more about the Blue Nile program. Like I said, they've been on the Forbes online favorite jewelry list since 2000. That's pretty decent, right? And so they have 30-day cookies for you to take advantage of. And as far as what the commissions you're making, from what I've heard, it varies. So it depends on how much you sell and where you're getting started. So either way, you can just agree to their terms, and then you'll have to put your email address to apply for their affiliate marketing program. In fact, if you take here, let's click on this, is commission structure. It does tell you a little bit more here. Commissions are tiered percentage based on the order level. So please note the commission is calculated on the first $7,500 of each individual order. So it does depend on how much money, how much people are spending will determine how much commissions you get. So that's you'll probably get a little bit more information once you get started, but that's pretty much that right there. Blue Nile is your #1 affiliate marketing program for jewelry affiliate programs. All right. So hey, what did we talk about? So some of the things to consider is that when it comes to jewelry, the jewelry marketing niche, it's quite a huge niche. If you try to go in starting to promote just saying jewelry is your thing, you're gonna get lost in sauce. It's way too big of a niche. You see what I'm saying? But if you start too small and narrow into something that's really, really narrow and weird that nobody talks about, right? Like super authentic and trinket type stuff that nobody's buying, then you won't make any money. So you want to get into a niche that is big enough but not too big, right? So some ones you can consider is jewelry repair. I found that one to be really, really right on point, okay, in terms of the search volume. Watches, you can do wedding and engagement rings. You can focus on fashion, especially just fashion, necklaces and bracelets and things like that. Or you can focus on lifestyle, like if you're into religious stuff, like the crosses and gamers, or into comics, things like that. Now, what's the best way to get traffic and sales? If you ask me, especially as a beginner, it's two best ways I know. Either doing authority websites or YouTube channels, all right? So authority websites is basically a website where you create content that's focused on a specific niche that we're talking about. Let's say jewelry repair. You're helping people, providing high quality content, just articles and stuff, and then boom, you send them over to an affiliate program like any one of these where they can buy jewelry, all right? Or you can do a YouTube channel, which I think is really cool because, hey, you don't have to do any hosting, you don't have to do a whole lot of that stuff, getting a domain. You just start creating high quality videos like this one and put them out there on specific keywords that you're looking for in your specific niche, and then boom, you start making money, all right? So that right there is something that you can do. Now, if you need some help in terms of building authority website or building YouTube channels, I'm gonna leave links for the #1 best programs I can recommend to you right now that I'm using both of them, as a matter of fact, to build YouTube channels and build an authority websites right now that I can vouch for, all right? So I'll leave the links in the description below for those for you to check out. All right, and that's it, my friend. Hope that was helpful. Hope you found value in this, all right? Hope that this was something that gave you some ideas. And if you did, hey, definitely give the video a like, all right? Consider subscribing to the channel. Go ahead and check out some of these videos here as well on how you can make money online on this channel, and check out the links for the training programs I talked about for how you can build authority website and YouTube channel the best way for beginners that actually works in the description below. All right, until the next exciting episode, my friend, be blessed, stay hungry. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.